All right, let's talk about something that's a real game changer for anyone in radio ad sales, generative AI. We're going to dig into how this tech is completely shaking up the way teams find new clients and, maybe more importantly, how they craft that perfect winning pitch. Let's jump right in. Now, just so you know where we're coming from, this is part of a larger series. It's all based on Chapter 14 of a really in-depth report from Virtualization Options LLC. So today, we're focusing only on what that chapter has to say about using AI for radio ad sales. So let's start with the big problem, right? For anyone who's ever been in radio ad sales, you know this challenge all too well. It's that endless hunt, that constant grind to find the right businesses to advertise with you. I mean, does this feel familiar? You're spending hours, maybe even days, just sifting through databases, making call after call, trying to find a business that's a perfect match for your listeners. Honestly, it can feel like looking for a needle in a haystack. But what if you didn't have to fly solo on that search anymore? What if you had a co-pilot? Well, that's exactly where AI comes into the picture. We're about to shift from talking about the problem to a really, really powerful solution. I love this way of thinking about it. Generative AI isn't a replacement for you. It's your new sales co-pilot. It's not here to take over the controls. Nope. It's there to handle the navigation, analyze all the complex data, and point out the best routes, which frees you up to do what you do best. Building those relationships and closing the deals. So what does that actually mean in plain English? In sales, generative AI is basically an incredibly smart assistant. Its main gig is to do all the heavy lifting for you, all that time-consuming research and analysis, to bubble up these amazing leads and opportunities that you probably would have missed otherwise. Okay, let's get practical. How does this actually work? Well, the first huge win, and the report really emphasizes this, is using AI to make your prospecting way, way smarter. This is all about working smarter, not harder. And the process? It's beautifully simple. First, you just tell the AI what your perfect ideal client looks like. Step 2, the AI just goes to work, churning through mountains of market data in minutes, something that would take us weeks. And third, boom, it hands you a qualified list of prospects who are a fantastic fit for your station. It just completely streamlines the whole front end of the sales process. So you've got this great list of prospects. Awesome. Now what? Well, you still have to talk to them, right? The next part is crafting that perfect pitch, and, you guessed it, AI is a massive help here too. And this is where it gets really strategic. AI helps you go beyond just knowing who to call. It helps you figure out what to say. It can scan a company's website, their press releases, their social media, to figure out what they truly care about, their core values. And that lets you build a pitch that connects on a much deeper level. And check this out. This is a perfect example of how it works in the real world. Say the AI finds a potential client, is super passionate about environmental causes. It might suggest, hey, pitch them on sponsoring our station's yearly Eco Warriors broadcast. Or, if a company is all about diversity and inclusion, the angle changes. You'd highlight how their brand aligns perfectly with your diverse audience. See? It's not a generic pitch anymore. It's a deeply personal proposal. As we start to wrap this up, I want to land on what is easily the most important takeaway from all of this. This technology, it isn't about getting rid of salespeople. Not at all. It's a tool that's built to actually make that human connection even stronger. It all boils down to this one crucial idea. AI doesn't replace the salesperson, it empowers them. It takes all that tedious, boring research off your plate so you can show up to a meeting more prepared, more strategic, and ultimately more human. It frees you up to do the one thing a machine can't: build a real relationship. So I'll leave you with this thought to chew on. With tools like this at your fingertips, what if your next massive client, the one that can make your entire year, is just one smart AI prompt away? The potential is absolutely massive, and it's right there for the taking.